Let me ask you something. Why do some people succeed financially while others stay broke, even if they earn the same? It's not just about income, it's about habits. In 2025, where inflation is real, AI is changing work, and money is moving digitally, building smart financial habits isn't just nice, like it's survival. In this video, we're diving deep into the 7 personal finance habits you need to master this year to boost your bank account and reduce financial stress. If you find this helpful, subscribe to Big Money Booster, like the video, and share it with someone who needs to level up their money game. Let's go. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. This is the foundation. When you get paid, the first thing you do is put money away for yourself. Before bills, before rent, before that shopping spree. That money should go to emergency fund, investments, retirement, side hustle savings. Automate it so it happens without thinking. Even $10 a week compounds over time. This habit is how you flip the script and become the first priority in your money life. Habit 2. Track every dollar. You can't manage what you don't measure. Stop guessing where your money is going. Start tracking it. Use budgeting apps like YNAB, Mint, or Monarch, spreadsheets, even pen and paper. Know your income, expenses, trends, and leaks. When you see that you spent $200 on takeout last month, it becomes easier to choose differently. Awareness creates control. Control creates freedom. Habit 3. Build multiple income streams. In 2025, one income stream is a risk, not a strategy. Start creating side income. Here are options: freelancing, content creation, digital products, online tutoring, investing for dividends, selling digital services, e-commerce, or drop shipping. You don't need to build an empire, just start. $100 extra a month is a big deal when invested right. One day, your side hustle might become your main hustle. Habit 4. Automate your money. Let technology do the work. Automate your bill payments, savings transfers, investment deposits, roundups on purchases. Set it, forget it, and let the systems build your wealth. Automation prevents emotional decisions and procrastination. The fewer decisions you need to make, the more consistent you'll be. Habit 5. Save before you spend. Most people spend and try to save what's left. Smart people save first, then spend what's left. This is a mindset shift. Start small. $50 to an emergency fund, $20 to a sinking fund, $100 toward a big goal. Label your savings accounts. Give each one a name and purpose. That emotional connection helps you stay consistent. Habit 6. Invest consistently. Even if it's small, you don't need to be rich to start investing. You need to start to become rich. Investing consistently beats trying to time the market. Use index funds like VTI SPY, robo-advisors, Roth IRA or TFSA, fractional shares on platforms like Robinhood or M1 Finance. Invest every week or month, even $20. Let compound interest work its magic. Over time, you'll build wealth while others wait for the right moment. Habit 7. Keep learning about money. Personal finance is a lifelong journey. Make learning about money part of your routine. Watch videos like this, read personal finance books, follow financial creators, listen to podcasts, join online communities. The more you learn, the more confident you become. Make 2025 the year you become financially fluent. Let's review. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. Habit 2. Track every dollar. Habit 3. Build multiple income streams. Habit 4. Automate your money. Habit 5. Save before you spend. Habit 6. Invest consistently. Habit 7. Keep learning. Start small. Pick 1 to 2 habits and master them. Your future self will thank you. Like this video to help us reach more people. Subscribe to Big Money Booster for real-world money strategies. Share this with someone who needs a financial reset in 2025. Drop a comment below. Which of these 7 habits are you starting today? Let's make this the year you master your money.